Hi friends, I am Janani, second BA Tamil in ABC Mahalakshmi College, Women, Thuthukudi. The Unknown Citizen, W.H. Auden. About the author, W.H. Auden was very much affected by the war, and his horrible impact of the war had been left his indelible mark on the mind of the poet, even in his child days and early youth. During in the Spanish Civil War, he volunteered to service in the ambulance drivers for the Republicans. Another times, the New Year later, for in the time beginning and Age of Anxiety or the Sum his volume of poems. He was a professor of the poetry from the time of offers. About the test, Aden had deep regard and respect for the common man. He was worried that an individual would become a victim or rather a prey to increasingly scientific world. The progress modernly was so alarming that the poet felt that just like the unknown warrior whose sacrifice of life the nations goes unnoticed, the common man may also lose his individuality amidst the survival strategies of modern life. A vein of subtle, starry, gentle, ironically ran throughout the poem. He was found by the Brutal of statistics to be one against whom there was no official complaint, and all the report on his conduct agree that in the model sense of the old-fashioned world, he was sane. He was everything he did has served the greater community, except for the war till the day he returned. He worked in the factory and never got fried, but stratified his employed fund motor ends. Yet he was not scarp or odd in his views, for his union report that he paid his dues. And our social psychology work found that he was popular with his mates and like a drink. The press are convenient that he bound a paper every day, and that his reactions to advertisement were normal in every way, and that his reaction to advertisement were normal in the every way. Policies taken out in the name proved that he was fully insured, and his health card shows he was once in hospital but left in court. Both producer, research, and high grade living declared he was fully sensible to the advantage of the installment plan and had everything necessary to the modern man: a photograph, a radio, a car, and a fagrinder. Our researchers into the public open or content that he held the proper opinion for the time of year. When there was pieces, he was for pieces. When there was where he went. He was married and added 5 children to the population, which our engagers say the right number for the parent of his generation. And our teacher report that he never interfered with their education. Was he free? Was he happy? The question is absurd. And anything be wrong, he should creating have cared. Thank you.